Winter can be beautiful, but it can also be extremely damaging to your home or business. One of the most common and costly problems during cold weather is frozen pipes. When temperatures drop below freezing, the water inside pipes can freeze and expand. As the ice grows, it creates pressure inside the pipe. Eventually, that pressure can cause the pipe to crack or burst. The real damage usually begins when the ice melts. Once the frozen water thaws, it can release a sudden flow of water into your walls, ceilings, floors, and surrounding areas. In many cases, this can happen without being noticed immediately, allowing water to spread and cause serious damage. Burst or frozen pipes can lead to soaked drywall, damaged flooring, ruined cabinets, electrical hazards, and even mold growth. Furniture, appliances, and personal belongings may also be affected. In severe situations, the repairs can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Many property owners assume their insurance company will fully cover this kind of damage, and in many cases, homeowners insurance policies do provide coverage for water damage caused by frozen pipes. However, the claims process is not always simple. Insurance companies often investigate frozen pipe claims very carefully. They may ask questions about whether the property was properly heated, whether the pipes were maintained, or whether the damage was reported quickly enough. Sometimes claims are delayed, partially paid, or even denied if the insurance company believes certain conditions were not met. Another challenge is that not all damage is immediately visible. Water can travel behind walls, under floors, and into insulation. If the damage is not properly documented, parts of the claim may be overlooked, leaving property owners with significant out-of-pocket costs. That's why many homeowners and business owners turn to a public adjuster for help. A public adjuster works on behalf of the policyholder, not the insurance company. Their job is to evaluate the damage, review the insurance policy, and ensure the claim is properly prepared and presented. Public adjusters document all areas of damage, estimate the true cost of repairs, and negotiate directly with the insurance company to help policyholders receive the settlement they deserve. At United Public Adjusters, our experienced team represents property owners dealing with frozen pipe and water damage claims. We understand how complex these claims can be, and we work to make the process easier for our clients. Our team carefully reviews your insurance policy, inspects the full extent of the damage, and prepares a detailed claim that reflects the true cost of restoring your property. We handle the communication and negotiation with the insurance company, helping ensure that nothing is overlooked and that your claim receives the attention it deserves. Our goal is simple: to help you recover the maximum settlement allowed under your policy so you can repair the damage and move forward. Frozen pipes can cause serious disruption and unexpected financial stress, but you don't have to face the insurance process alone. If your home or business has experienced damage from frozen or burst pipes, contact United Public Adjusters to discuss your situation. Our team is here to guide you through the claims process and help protect your interests every step of the way.